Hi, this is Atakan from Anerka. Today I will show our HR4 series 4-roll plate roll bending machine with NC control. So I want to show you how to use. So let's run the machine. So basically we have 4-roll on this machine. X means left roll, Y means right roll. Z means rotation, and P means pinging roll, bottom roll. So when you move the joystick from control panel, it's automatically sync the positions on each side of the roll. So we have basically 7-axis control. So X1 means back side of the left roll, and X2, which is bottom value, front side of the left roll. So also you can use MDI on each axis. So when you select the axis, which means marked blue, when you press position, so you can put the target value of the roll, and when you push the start button, rolls goes up till target and catch the target. Same thing for other, like I'm gonna go 20 millimeter. Okay, and we have also rotation. Let's say I'm gonna 500 millimeter. Positive values means material goes right, and negative values means material go left. So I put positive 500, and if I click it, rolls rotate 500 millimeter and stop there. Also, this controller calculate the bend programs. Like I can create one program here. Yes, and I catch this, and I press calculate button, and program gives you one of empty program. So basically you can put material information here. Today I will bend 3 millimeter mild steel with 150 millimeter width, and length is 1200. So when you calculate, and when you press change step, you can use the template programs. For example, I will at referencing position, machine asking you calculate by self, yes. You see, this is the reference position of the left roll, right roll, and bottom roll. And then you just jump right at another step and click again, change step, and I want to put rotation for plate alignment, yes. And step 3, crimping, pinging till 3 millimeter, and same thing, press roller up. So automatically reference roller go down and material moves back till top and bottom roll center. And same thing for pre-bending, yes. And machine asking what is the radius. So I got 187 millimeter radius today. So basically I know this number is 135.5 millimeter. I have experienced before on this material. And same thing for step 6, forward rotation. So my radius is 187, and pre-bending angle, which is arc angle actually, is 45 millimeter, which is 144 millimeter arc length. It's calculated by self. It's automatically go there. So I need to change again because correct rolling position is 135, and change step type, and entrance roller go down, and same change step. Now I'm going to entrance roller down. Oh, actually I select wrong step. Press roller up, and again 178, confirm. On this position I got 45 millimeter, and change step type, step 9, entrance roller down, forward rotation, yes, 187 radius, and I got 345 millimeter degrees, sorry, 15 degrees, 315 degrees, which means 45 degrees for pre-bending. It's already done. I got full circle 360, so it's left 315 millimeters. It's calculate the length automatically. All right, and then change step type, and lower roll down. Yes, this is the parking. So let's run the program and see what's happened. So I got the mass steel 3 millimeter part with the 150 millimeter width test part. So we can bend, run the machine. Our program is ready. So jump to automatic mode, first step, and run. So machine goes reference positions. All these positions calculated by control unit. So on this step 2, I can put the material in between the rolls. So I put here. So the other side of the roll is actually referencing for gauging the material. Okay, so I just start the program and pinch the material, and gauging roll going down, material go back at the center, and pre-bending roll go up. Pre-bending is done, and going to rolling. Okay. All the rolls going to reference position again. Pinching roll down, and machine open the brackets. I got constant over here, rotate them, and I got a little bit over, little bit bigger diameter, but pretty good bending actually. So we bent first part. I got second part, so I can bend this roll constant number going down, I just push the start button and bracket closes automatically and rolls going to reference position again. Okay. Put the material and I push start button again. So machine doing all bend steps again. This is pre-bending. Down. I got very close results actually, as you can see. So okay, we bent second part too, so I'm going to bend third part. So run the machine, constant number down, and first step, bracket closing, put the material there, square, and run the program. Okay, so this is the third part. Pretty close. Okay, I will show also playback and record and playback control on NC control unit. So let's run the machine and I create one of empty program. Confirm, calculate. So machine gives the one of empty program again. So if I click learn all, so record all current values, and then for example I want to pinch the bottom roll, so you can see the current positions here. So pinch all the way up till 9 millimeter, for example. So you can see it's automatically records all your steps. So for example, now left roll goes up, it's there, like rotation a little bit there, right roll, it's there, and rotation other side, negative values, and whatever you move the axis, NC control unit can record all the steps. Left roll up, okay, and then you can save your program called, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, confirm, and you can bend your program, and whatever you don't like it, like here, you can change the positions or targets of the axis, each axis. For example, if you don't like this, you can change this or this. So when you run the automatic mode, and when you start it, so machine goes all the positions, whatever you do, and you can see the current values here. Left roll goes up, rotation, yep, it's done. If you want, you can add bracket open function or conical functions, whatever you want to do, you can add on 3D auto learning page. Very easy to use. Also, I want to show also manual screen. So right now we got parallel motion. For example, right roll. So if you need a cone bending, so you can choose conic function, and when you move the roll, backside of the roll stop and only moves front side of the roll, and you can see the difference here. And then when you move the parallel, and when you move, it's the same angle, same difference between back and front axis, always stay there. If you want to turn back to parallel, you can adjust by manually, or if you select alignment, and when you press run, actually moves here. Yep. Position, alignments, and move it. The left roll automatically align by itself. So you can tilt the left roll, right roll, also bottom roll. So we have conic function on bottom roll. Basically, opposite side of the bottom roll goes up and down. And also we have a re-rolling function on this machine. So basically, when you select the Z plus, it goes right, whatever you need. This is good for actually big diameter tanks, so you don't need to push the button here. Or also left side. You can see the position also, rotation. And we have also absorber function. So when you weld the material and welding area get a little bit thermal deflection. So after welding, you need to be re-rolling. So you put the material there, you just turn and a little bit push by side rolls, get the perfect cylindrical shape. But there's a welding thickness, of course, thicker than material thickness, and when welding pass through between top and bottom roll, that the rolls, especially bottom roll, needs to be go down and automatically like gas spring. So we have this function here. This is optional, and when you turn on, bottom roll goes up